Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. In today's video I will be showing you how to make keto salmon fish. So this is all my ingredient which I'm going to use. I have my 4 slices of salmon, is clean already. This is my baby spinach, and I have my olive oil. Don't forget to use your olive oil, it's very important. I have my black pepper, I have my cherry tomato and my lemon. I have my salt, my seasoning, that's no cube. I have my parsley leaves, I have my garlic, I have my butter, and I have my cooking cream. So this recipe is those who want to lose weight, who want to keep fit. You know, this is keto diet recipe. So if you want to purchase, I will leave the link below this video, so you can click on the link and make your own order on how to prepare this food. If you want to lose weight, if you feel that you want to stay fit, you want to lose weight, you can purchase this keto cookbook. From there it will give you step by step how you can do it. So at this point I'm going to show you this simple recipe. You can start with this video. Maybe I will be posting something similar to this. So thank you. If you're new in my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video to help someone. So first I'm gonna add my olive oil to my pot. The reason why I use olive oil is very healthy oil compared to groundnut oil, in the one we use in Nigeria, groundnut oil or corn flour oil. But olive oil is very good if you are on keto diet. I would recommend you using olive oil instead of those oil. So I'm done with my fish. Now I'll just add my butter. So I'll add my garlic. My tomato, so I'll add my cream. I'll add my parsley leaves. My spinach. So I'll add my lemon. So now I will add my salmon fish. So I will just add half of this seasoning, half, not full, just half. So gently stir it together. I'll cover it for 2 minutes. So 2 minutes. So add the remaining parsley leaves. It is ready, as you can see. So it's ready to serve.